So who evolved? So the entire thing is a drama. Drama, where is the evolution? Drama, ஒரு prince இருக்கான், அவன் ராஜாவானா, அவன் என்ன ராஜாவானா? Then they evolved from a prince to a king. The entire thing is only a drama. So, and the part of the there is no evolution, revolution, எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. இதெல்லாம் our own imagination, that's all. Because we don't know the truth. அதனால என்னமோ இதில் இருந்தது வேணாம், அங்கே வேணாம். Each one is a separate thing. You are looking at a calf in your dream. And you set take it for granted that the cow by itself is its mother. Have you seen it giving birth to it? Was the calf ever born? It came only as a calf. You accept that. Each one is a drama by itself. பாக்கி எல்லாம் காதால கட்டுது. I was born in 1980. You never saw it when you were born.
Yeah.
So இதெல்லாம், see, we should know clearly, we should have the concepts, and as far as possible, even though it is beyond science, it is beyond reason, to the extent possible, we can utilize them to understand. Even though it will be beyond it, but still, அது இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் go by that. Don't discard it. To the extent possible, you go in a scientific, reasonable, rational manner. Then it will be beyond it. That is a different issue. But to a large extent, that path will be very clear to you from that. That's all. Don't ignore it.
That way, the tiger conservation, forest conservation, எல்லாமே வந்து it's all a part of
Part of the game.
part of the game. That's it.
The entire world is a game sanctuary. That's all. It contains foxes. It contains cows. It contains deers. It contains tigers too.
What about life in other planets, Swamiji?
When the entire thing is a dream, dreamல இல்லாத நினைச்சுட்டு நாம என்னத்துக்கு why should we think? ஏதோ சிக்னல் வருது, அதெல்லாம் அங்கே இருக்கணும். It's all again mental concepts.
Creating something again, some kind of a fear psychosis. There is some alien there, there is somebody there.
There need not be anybody. Just some sound is coming. So why should you take it? இது என்றைக்கோ அனுப்பிச்சாலாக்கும், அது நமக்கு வந்து 40 years கழிச்சு அந்த சிக்னல் வரதாக்கும். இதெல்லாம் எங்கேருந்து வந்தது? What is the base for it? So go by wherever there is a base, wherever there is scientific evidence, அதில் போனேன்னா then the rest is beyond it. பட் அதுக்கு போகிற சௌகரியமாக இருக்கும். பிகினிங்லேருந்தே நீங்கள் மென்டல் கான்செப்ட்ஸில் என்னென்னமோ நினச்சிட்டு போனேன்னு சொன்னால் you will never reach it. That's all. ஸோ நாம் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், எல்லாமே நம்ம மென்டல் கான்செப்ட். இப்போ you ask a buffalo, how is your God like? Oh, it's a very big buffalo which is 800 tons in weight with 20 கொம்பு, 20 horns.
Buffalo can think of that.
You cannot think of anything more. ஸோ நமக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு தலையா, எங்கள் சிவனுக்கு 5 தலை. அவர் பிள்ளை ஸ்கந்தனா, அவனுக்கு 6 தலை, போடு 1 more. That's all.
So with limited thinking, we visualize something as something superior.
Based on what we are having. அவ்வளோதான். அவருக்கு நம்ம மாதிரி ஜெரிய வஷ்டி கட்டிருக்கோம். அது ஜெரிய வஷ்டிலாம் எங்கே கிடைச்சது அவளுக்கு?
Nalli Kumaran. They have not set up a shop for Shiva and Vishnu.
That's what they say. அது மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து we don't have any clear concept. We don't have a clear concept of what is God. We don't have a clear concept of what is moksha. ரெண்டும் தெரியாது. And we are talking. I was in the tea estate சொன்னேன்னு, அங்கே ஒரு நாளைக்கு அந்த ட்ரஸ்டீஸ் எல்லோரும் வந்திருந்தாங்க. அத்தனை பேரும் குடிச்சிருக்காங்க. They sent for me, evening. Come on, mister. You say, what does Shankara actually say? I said, we will talk about Shankara in the morning, and went away. That's all. We will talk about Shankara in the morning. Went away. I was dead.
It is just one of the matter for the point of discussion further.
Spirituality begins with spirit.
அவளுக்கு ஆக்ட்ரஸை பற்றி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணாலும் அதுதான், சங்கரை பற்றி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணாலும் அந்த ஸ்டேஜில் இட் டசன்ட் மேக் மச் ஆஃப் அ டிஃபரன்ஸ்.
Swamiji, this book on the Stutis of Bhagavatam, that will come when, Swamiji?
I had not even started that. I had not even
And
started
the
it.
last time in Lucknow, Mr. Venkateshwara was...
Venkateshwaran is after me. I said I started with Bhagavata, let me end with Bhagavata. It's also a nice idea. But எப்படி எழுதுறது என்னால் உட்காந்து எழுதுறது பெரிய கஷ்டமாச்சு லாஸ்ட்
Swamiji,
டைம்.
நான் வரேன் ரமணாஸ்வரம், நீங்கள் டிக்கெட் பண்ணணும். I'll do it.
4 நாளில் முடியுது
இல்லை,
ஃபஸ்ட்.
I'll come in 10 days, I'll take.
இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ப்ரெலூட் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க சிஸ்டத்தை.
No, what?
2 நாள் 3 நாள்லாம் கொஞ்சம், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அது 10 நாள் ஆகும், அப்புறம் அது 30 days ஆகும். தட் இஸ் வாட்.
அப்புறம் no return from that. Mr. Ravi has to come in search.
ஆமாம்.
He won't. Last time when we were discussing Swamiji, and the idu channel and the Viratasura, when he's being defeated by Indra, he says there's a stuti இல்லையா?
ஆமாம், விருத்தாசுரன் அந்த 5 ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கு.
At the end of chapter, Swamiji.
It is in 6th skanda. 6th skandத்தில் அந்த முன்னாடி விருத்தாசுரம் அந்த ஒரு 5-6 அத்தியாயத்துக்குள்ள வருது. அதில் அந்த ஹெட்டிங்ஸில் போட்டுருவான். விருத்தாசுரம் பார்த்தா விருத்தாசுரம்
I'll get them.
6வது ஸ்கந்தம். அது வந்து he said entire Bhagavata as considered as a bhakti book. அதனுடைய entire சாரம் is there in those songs.
Okay. And listening to that is the one that
ஆமாம், அதில் வந்து தி என்டையர் திங் ஹவு தி பக்தி ஷுட் பி, அதோட டெஃபினேஷன் மாதிரி எல்லாம் வந்துடுறது. அதில் எப்படி ஆரம்பிக்கிறார்? திரைவர்த்திகாயாச விகாதமஸ்ம பிரபுர் விதத்தே புருஷஸ்ய சக்கர. திருவர்க்கம்னா என்னன்னா, we have got 4 motives for our living. either to dharma, ஏதோ ஒரு கோவில் கட்டணும், அல்லது we want to build a yatim khana for the people who have got nobody, for people who are orphans, an orphanage for them. I want to build a school for the blind. So these are all the dharmas. So that may be a main motive in my life. Because I got enough money. So I was born there. எங்கள் அப்பா எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு. So naturally I inherited that thing, that I should also do like that. Then artha. Then my entire aim is to earn a lot of money, to leave a lot for my son, grandson and grandson's son. That is the second motivation. The third is, I want to enjoy. Why do you want money? I want to have a giant fridge so that I can keep beautiful things for a week, for a month like that. That's that. So I want a giant TV, not these ordinary small TVs and all that. I want a giant TV. When I was a bit young, when I was 20 years, when I saw the TV, it was very difficult for me. Within that, I couldn't see. I was so accustomed to see big, the cinema theatres are very big, these things. So how to contain it in this and all that, it was a bit difficult for me to concentrate on that and see the pictures. I wanted a big screen, as big as in the cinemas.
yeah.
That's my idea. So we want such a big screen and all that, a giant TV. So you want to enjoy life every time. You want to own a helicopter wherever you want to go. At any time you can go in that. There will be a pilot at any time available. So this is what you want. This is common. Then when all the 3 are over, rarely a few ask for moksha. So dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So moksha, very few want it, so it is left out. So this trivarga is only dharma, artha and kama. So we all strive only for that. So traivatyika ayasam. Ayasam na prayatnam. So you do the prayatnam to get these 3 things done. Adila vigatam. Vigatam, some obstacles come. I want to build a temple. I have already purchased a land. Suddenly somebody gets a stay order saying that land is mine. And 20 years it goes on. I can't build a temple. So suddenly some obstacles come on the way when I was trying to do. So தவிக்கி காயா விதாதா அஸ்மத் பகுர்விதத்தே புருஷக்கர். இது எப்போ பண்ணுறார் பகவான்? He will make you flourish very well. But whenever you find that some impediment comes on the way of achieving these three first motives, then what does it denote? அப்படின்னா ததோனு மேயோ பகவத் பிரசாதோ. You think that Bhagavan inni varaikum he was not looking at you, he was looking at other people. From now you take it that the Lord's kataksha has turned towards you. So that is why he makes us a failure in all these material objectives. So that your ideas should turn towards spirituality. And it's not something that anybody can get. Akinchara gochara only. Only a person who owns nothing can see. What does it mean? Do you mention that I should throw off my refrigerator in the Ganges? I should throw off my TV in the Pacific Ocean? No. Akinchana only means things may be there. The man who has got no sense of possession over it. That is what it means. Just as I told you during deep sleep. Everything was there, but you didn't have the sense of possession over anything. Not even your own body. So that is the stage. So only such people can get that kataksha of the Lord. So that kataksha you will get. Then how deep should be your desire for Him? Then it is another victim, that is Anubhavam. I don't want
under this function. After I came back from Lucknow, I read it, but now I'm studying. When Indra comes before him, he says, at last you have come, you are 3 in 1. How is it 3 in 1? Brahmaha, Guruha, Bhraturha. You killed a Brahmin. That's the first one. You killed your own Guru. You killed your my brother. So you are 3 in 1.
सब बढ़िया है. इस समय नागपुर में है.
इधर आरंभिक
हाँ उन्हीं के हैं.
23 इधर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This form the
हाँ तब बिना उसके कैसे
essence of the entire Bhagavata Bhakti Paramahansa. Which is and when he sits in that battlefield and prays
वो
to
तो
the
वहाँ
Lord,
बंगलोर में मिलेंगे.
he says, now I am going to die because the Lord is on your side.
मई.
So I am going to get another birth. But please,
हाँ हाँ.
I want one favor. In the next birth, I won't be fit to be your
बता रहे हैं
your dasa.
गीता जी को.
But make me your dasanudasa. Let me be a servant in your dasa also. So aham hari. Sabha. Adekamola dasanudaso. Again and again. It's not sufficient in one birth. That will not make me. The earlier continuing to go, it will take several births. In every birth, you take me a servant of your dasa. Kavitasme puja. Manaspare. Then it's not sufficient. சும்மா அங்கே போய் அவளை பற்றி வச்சுண்டு அவளை பெருக்கிண்டு that's not sufficient. Then what do I want? At that time, let me mind go on thinking of you. Manasmare Asupater Gunas. You should think of your Gunas. ஐயோ பகவான் என்ன பக்தவசலர் எப்படி இருக்கார் பகவான் and he is always prepared to come to our aid. So go on thinking of him. Then Granita walk. And when I am doing the work for those people, my Vani should be telling some prayers to the Lord. Karma karoti kaya. Let my body do the work there. But let my words come praise of the Lord and let my mind be on you. So this is what I want. It's not simply being born as the Dasanudasa. I want these three things also in that. Then, how badly you want it. Supposing I give you something better, will you accept them? He says, no. Nanaka Prishtam. I don't want Indra's Loka, this Surga. That's a Parameshtyam. Brahma Loka, it is supposed to be much better. I don't want it. That's a Parameshtyam. Na Sarvabhavam na Sadhipatyam. I don't be the king of all the kingdoms in the world. Na Rasadhipatyam. Kid and the Rasatalam the Atalam, Sutalam, Rasatalam, Patalam. And the Rasatalam is full of riches. Adana Kudukra, you will be the king of all the wealth in the world, full of diamonds, full of money. No, I don't want it. Na yoga siddhi apunar bhavamba. எனக்கு இந்த சித்தி எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம். எப்படிங்கிறது கையில் குலாப் ஜாமுன் கொண்டு வருது, விபூதி கொண்டு வருது வேண்டாம். அப்புனர் பவம்பா எனக்கு மோட்சமும் வேண்டாம். லெட் மீ கர் 100 rebirths, I don't mind. பின்ன என்னதான் வேணும் உனக்கு? சமஞ்சசத்வாது காட்சி. I want you and nothing else I want. That's all. So this is how I am there. Still I don't understand. Tell me, how intense is your desire? Ajata Paksha iva mataram khaga. See, the small siblings of a bird, they are there in their nest. Still so far they have not got any wings. So they cannot themselves go anywhere. And already the parents have gone to bring their morning nashta, morning tiffin. They have not come. And these people are getting a lot of hunger. So, how anxious they are waiting. My father, is she coming? Or they bring anything for me? Ajata Paksha, those who have not sprouted their wings. அது எப்படி அம்மா வரணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்குமா? அப்பா வந்து கூட புண்ணியம் இல்லை, அம்மா தான் ஊட்டும். அஜாத பக்ஷா இவ மாதரம் ககா. Then she said, this does not give the full gift. Then stanyam yatha vatsatara chuta. The cows have gone for going into the pastures and all that. The calves are all in the house. 5 o'clock evening is over. They normally come by 5 and then they go and drink their milk. But today they are late. So they are full of hunger. So how they will be waiting for their mother? Then Priyam Priyave Prishitam Vishanna. There is a lady, newly married. Her husband said, I am sorry, I have to go on some official duty to Bombay. I will be coming day after tomorrow. So the day after tomorrow from morning onwards, wherever there is a sound of an auto, she will go and see, is it my husband? There is a sound of a car, is it my husband? So how with what longing she will be waiting for her husband to come. And Anda Madhuri, Manohara Vindakshya Chetam, I want to see you with the same intensity. The intensity is the same. Then he has already asked a boon that I want to be the Dasa of Dasa. A doubt has now crept in. Supposing the Lord feels I am an Asura, I am not even fit to go into the houses and serve them. So I cannot be Dasa and Dasa. Then he gives an alternative. Prabhu, in the bus I will be going the Samsara Chakra again and again. At least from time to time, give me the friendship of those people. I need not go and serve them. So once in a way, they may say, hey, go and bring me a palm. So they may try for So let me have the Uttama Shloka section. Then, Tanmayam, Adhupotam. Then, perhaps you may say, no, you are not fit even to be a friend with my devotees. Then, he wanted one negative word. At least, don't put me among those people who are only interested in their family, the wife, their children. அதிலேயே மூழ்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அவள் கிட்டக்க மாத்திரம் போட்டுறாத. You allow me to flourish somewhere in a desert. Let me be a desert flower even. I don't mind, but not among these people. Then Maya, Atma, self, என்னோட body. Atmaja, என்னோட son, my son, Atma, Atmaja, Dara, Keheshu, my wife, my house, idiliye asakteshu, whose mind is only going round only these things. Nanatha Puja. Let me not grow among these people. Then what all I have, even that will go away. Let me be alone, I don't mind, even if you can't get me the friendship of those good people, but don't put me in this bad way. So a negative goal with that ends.
That is the highest goal, Swamiji. 23 to 27.
ரொம்ப அட்வான்ஸ் லெவலில் இருக்குது சுவாமி இதில்.
I want you only. இது என்ன தெரியுமா? There's a sage. He went to Calcutta. About 1 month is over, 2 months are over. He was to come back. So he wrote a letter to his wife. Tell me what all you want to be brought from Calcutta. Then his wife wrote, Anga, such is the thing I want. That's a diamond necklace which has newly come straight from China, and I want that. Then the daughter wrote, அங்கே ஒரு புது டைப் ஆஃப் சாரீஸ் வந்திருக்கான் மலேசியாவிலேருந்து. I would like to have some 3 of them. 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 2 for my friend. Then there is a child, aged about 5. He wrote, Papa, I want you to come back early. Then when he came, he threw the bag and bag with the key to his wife. You all take what all you want. There. He goes and takes the child and he says, you wanted me, I have come. That's what the Lord does.